Let's see how to build omnichannel AI chatbots that can work on your social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and SMS, web chat, website, and other channels as well. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have connected all the possible channels right here. And let's see how to build an omnichannel AI chatbot effortlessly. So let me go to the flow section over here. So go to the flow section and let me create a new flow, and let me name this one as simple omnichannel chatbot demo, and click continue. So here I'm in the flow builder, and here you can see send message. So let me click on this one, and it says the starting step as well. So let me click on this one, and here you will see message type is omnichannel. So that means whatever the things you create right here, for example, if you add a text block, this will simply work on all these possible channels. Suppose if you choose Messenger, then it will only work on Messenger. So that's why we always recommend you to use omnichannel, and that way you can actually implement your chatbot automations in all the channels quickly. So now let's see how to build an omnichannel chatbot automation to send specific discount coupon. So let me say, thanks for your interest. Would you like to get a special 20% off a discount on your next purchase? So let me add this message right here, and here you can choose options. So here let me add a button, yes I am interested, and let me add another button saying no thanks. Here this is the first step of the message right here, or the first message right here with two buttons and a text block. Suppose if they choose this button, yes I am interested, here let's ask for the email. So in this case you have to choose get user data over here, because we want to collect a particular customer detail. So choose that one, and here let me say, great, please enter your email address below. So here you ask customer to enter the email address. Here you can even add any sort of emojis as well, like this. And here if they say no thanks, you can simply send some other message over here. Let's say, no worries, have a great day. That's it. So if they say no thanks, we will simply send this sort of message over here. And another beautiful thing about this particular flow builder is that you can easily preview this particular flow builder right here. So let me click publish over here, and using this particular icon, chat icon right here, you can quickly preview how this actually looks like for the customer. For example, this is the first message. Here there are two buttons. Suppose if I choose no thanks, we will receive this message right here, simple as that. So now let's keep building this one right here. So after they share the email address, you can actually add an action over here. So if you want to add any sort of action, let me delete this one, choose this action plus icon over here, and choose action over here. And here actions, set the email as opt-in. So that means if you set the email, or if you set the email consent over here, that means you can easily send any sort of email to the customers over there. So here another important thing about collecting the email address here is that if you remove the skip button over here, that means if empty, the user will be forced to fill this field. So let's force the user to fill the field by removing the skip button right here. Alright, so now we set the email opt-in as well. So now here you can offer them the discount coupon. So here let me say, and let's add another text block over here saying, here's your discount coupon. So here let me say shop 20, and here you can even add any sort of button as well, and send them directly to the website to purchase as well. So here choose open website, and here let me say visit website, and here you can add the website link as well. So let me say staticmedia.com. Alright, so here we simply provide them the discount coupon and option to visit the website as well. So here if you want to send any sort of email from here, send email, so here you will need to connect your email channel as well. So if you go to the channel section over here, you have the option to connect your email, and from there you can actually easily send any sort of email campaigns as well. So here we have already connected an email right here. So in this case you can easily send any sort of emails as well. So here if you connect this particular block right here, and you can create the subject, pre-header, and add the headline or the content of the email, and it will simply send to the particular customer's email which they provide over here. So here the field is set as email variable, because whatever the email they share in this particular step will be used to send these particular emails as well. For now, let me simply delete this one and keep this one as it is. So let me publish this one and test this, how this actually works. So as I mentioned, this can easily work on other channels too. So let me test this on right here on the quick preview. So let me say yes, I'm interested, and here it simply asks me for the email. So let me enter this email over here, chatikmedia@gmail.com. Alright, so now it says thanks, and it simply provide the discount coupon. And if I tap on this button over here, so here it will take them directly to the website, and from there they can actually make any sort of purchases as well. And here you can even set any sort of follow-up messages right here using the wait delay block. Here you can set for specific seconds, minutes, and here we have built this one and already tested through this quick preview as well. So here we actually tested using this particular quick preview right here, but this can actually work on other channels too. So if you want to test this on other channels, you can simply use this particular option. Click on these three dots over here, and here you have the option to get published link, and click on it, and here you can get links for each of these channels over here. For example, you can test this on Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, and SMS, Viber, and even on the website as well. So for example, if you click on copy for Messenger, you will get a specific link right there, and from there you can actually paste that link on your browser and simply test that one as well. So for example, this is the Messenger link right there. So you can use this link to test on the Messenger, but you can also use the same flow for the other automations as well. For example, let me go to the auto marketing over here. So you can actually use this one to trigger when someone actually comments on your Instagram post or Facebook post or Instagram story automations. So there are tons of possibilities over here. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.